I don't wanna tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale. Everything about you is so unreal. It won't be pretty when it ends. Now how could I leave with your sweet love on?
Magkagin po natin natin, Beba. Tapos bilangin po natin yung laman.
Sige, gusto na natin yung alkansya mo para mabilang natin.
Always got this expectation.
Akin na yung Mateo.
No one loves me like I
Ang sigat na nga.
love myself.
Tara, puno tayo sa lamesa.
Time to elevate this shit. I'm wondering from messing up.
Tapos palagi ka rin siya.
Sa tingin mo, Mateo, magkano na kaya mo itong alkansya mo?
Thinking I am dancing in your arms. The next one we were kissing in your
Ako naman,
car. And I
ako
am
na ako. Nasa 3,000 na itong laman ng alkansya mo.
Wow, ang dami!
Para malaman natin kung magkano na matipon mo, Mateo. Tapos akin ko lang itong alkansya mo, ha?
Apa!
Sorry, Blueber, ha? Tapos akin na kita. Kaya ko to. Ayan ang Mateo. Nabuksan na.
Ate Beba, ang dami kong pera!
Mateo, ang dami mo namang naipon. Tapos may ampon pa. Ano kayong naman ito? Hala! Pera din! Ito kaya isa! Ay, pera ulit! Ang dami!
Ate Beba, bilangin na po natin lahat.
Sige! Basta masamahin mo natin yung magkakaparehas na pera. Saka natin siya bilangin. Ikaw kumamatay sa mga papel at ako naman sa mga bariya. Ang daming 20 ko!
Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately. I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time
Ate Beba, nakuha ko na po lahat yung perang papel.
people
Pagsamahin mo ng mga 100, tsaka yung mga 50.
Apa!
It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you so I'm letting go. La 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 la.
Yung mga piso, dito. Yung 5 naman, dito.
La 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 la.
Ang dami rin tigpa 5.
You're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. And what I
Pati piso, ang dami.
little closer.
Grabe, ang daming naipon ni Mateo.
To make you feel this way. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and
Got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. In the night, I am
Balik ka
going
naman
all
tayo.
the way.
Tulungan mo ako. Ipag-iwan na ako sa mga bariya.
You touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so
Ang
cliche.
dami mong pera, Mateo. Saan mo ba nakuha itong pera mo? Dapat mag-ipon ka ng pera. Kapag sobrang baon mo, ilalagay mo sa alikansya.
it's way too late. Regretting all mistakes. See, that's so heavy over.
Madami ka din. Malapit ko na rin mapuro yung alikansya ko.
Guess we went to fuck this time.
Ayan! Natapos na natin itong pagsamasamahin. Napag-iwahiwalay na natin. Tapos, bilangin naman natin.
Yay! Magbibilang na tayo!
Mateo, ilan yung 200?
Ito lang po, ni Bebang!
You got nothing to prove.
Ay, yung 100 naman. Ilang piraso yan?
3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 po, Ate Bebang!
Manalo 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 79, 80, 81, 86, 87, 88, 89, 100! Mateo, saan mo naman ako patawanin? Ginugulo mo yung pagbibilang ko eh! Magkano na ulit? Ay, 100 lang pala to! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 130 po yung mga tagpipiso. Dito naman ako sa mga tagpa 5 pesos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29 ang taglilima.
We live for the music. We are breathing. We are
29. Dito naman ako sa 10 pesos. 1, 2, 3, alam mo na. 3, ang rate naman ay etong 20 pesos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 at 20 pesos.
need to apologize.
Matilyo, nabilang ko na lahat. Tapos, nalista ko pa. Wait lang, Matela. Ikukulit ko pa. Tig 200. Isa lang. 200. 100 times 14. 1,400.
You got nothing to prove.
Tapos, 50 times 11. 500.
Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down
20
deep
times
in
11.
wonder.
220.
Louder we sing, no, there is no cure in this
10 times
together.
3 equals 30.
I don't wanna tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale. Everything about you is so unreal. Hold the pretty ways. Now how could I live with your sweet love?
Mateo! Lahat ng pera mo! Umabot ng 2,679!
Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at your eyes, trying to figure you out. Just wanna make you smile. Head out, looking at the sunset, man, you're looking
Ang
good
dami mo sa
tonight.
pera, Mateo!
I wanna kiss you before the sun
Bili po ako ng
goes
cellphone
down.
at si Bebang. Yung
It's what
iPhone
you
15 Pro Max
do.
prepaid.
Kulang pa tumihin ko mo, Mateo! Mahal kaya yung iPhone! 100,000 plus yun!
Ganun po ba?
Kaya mag-ipon ka pa ng marami para makabili ka ng pangarap mong cellphone!
Sige po, ate Bebang, kaso wala na po ang alikansya eh.
Wait lang! May bibigay ako sa'yo! Bagong alikansya! Kukunin ko lang sa kwarto, ha!
Ayos, may bago na po Ate Bebe, pag napuno ko po ito, tulungan mo po ako ulit magbilang ah.
Oo naman, Mateo.
Ayos, may malaki na akong alikansya.
Guys, nagbilang kami ng ipon ni Mateo. Umabot ng 2,679. Kayo ba? May alkansya rin ba kayo? At magkano na yung naipon nyo? Marami na ba? Mag-comment lang kayo. Bye-bye!